for seeing and welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you are new to my channel, you are warmly welcome. So in today's video, we are going to do some unboxing. Yes, unboxing. Yeah, that's what we are going to do today. In my previous video, I spoke about having a one-on-one session with you. Not basically one-on-one, but we will be drawing together, we'll be learning together. Some will be on YouTube Live and some will be as a tutorial. So it's more about learning together. I'm a beginner, so I want to learn with you. I want us to learn together. I want us to make our mistakes together, learn our tips and tricks together, and come up with amazing results. So it's all about fun. We are going to have fun, relax whilst drawing. So that's what this is basically about. The things I bought will help me help you help me. Do you get it? We are all going to do this together. I just needed some stuff that I believe will help me get this thing going. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. One of the first things I needed was a tripod. A tripod that can be hooked to a table, whereby I can film directly on the page. I hope you get what I mean. So let me show you. So this is what I got. It's from Ugreen. I got it on Amazon. So it came as this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. 1, 2, and 3. You need to fix all these together. This is hooked to the table. So this is how it looks like. How to assemble this is in the manual, so you can easily do it. It's nothing difficult. Then this is fixed to this ball point, so you have to lose the screw over here, put the ball point in it, and screw it back. So this is it. You put it. You lose it. You put the ball point in it and tighten the ball point. Then fix it on a table. So this is what I got, and I'm so happy I've got this. I tried it and it has 360 degrees ball point, so you can shift and move, and these strings helps you move to a longer distance. You can adjust this as in how you like. Yeah, and it's quite affordable, so you don't really need this, but if you want, you can get it. It's on Amazon. There are different brands with this kind of things, so you can get them if you think you need them. The next item I'm going to talk about is my acrylic paint set. In my previous video, I got some few acrylic paints, and I got this because it came with additional stuff that I believe will help me with this process. So this is the acrylic paint set, and we have our colors at the back. You can see the colors we have is about 24 colors. So now let me show you. First of all, there are some sponge. No, I think it's a foam. You can see there's a foam, and they have this spatula, I believe. Yeah, number 4 and number 5. So they have, it came with these 2 foam and these 2 spatula. Then it came with a brush set as well. If you're interested in the price is on the screen. You can look at the price and do your conversion if you can. So this is how the brushes look like. I have brushes for watercoloring. I just decided to get this one purposely for acrylic, but who knows, I might end up using both or mixing them. It depends on what I grab. So let's see how this one goes. And also, it also came with these arts to help you with the coloring, to help with the blending. So you can see these things haven't been taken out. There's more rubber, additional rubber, and additional rubber. So luckily that you have 2 surfaces. You have this to practice your blending on. See, there are different samples, and you have one blank one. You can do your own art on it. Actually, there are 2 blank ones. and they'll throw it out on it for you to practice your painting. Then we have the acrylic paints itself. I didn't buy expensive stuff because I don't know much about acrylic painting and I'm yet to learn. So if I get more interested, who knows, I might get the better ones. This is basically for practice, just learning how to paint. So if you are new like me, you don't have to go big by spending a lot of money on something you are not really versed in. So these are the colors that I have. There are 24 colors in all. Yes, so I believe you can get a lot of colors when you start mixing these together. The next thing I got was this heat gun to help me fast track the process. When you're painting, you need the painting to dry before you can move on to the next one. If you're in a hurry, or if you are working on a project and you want to finish your project as soon as possible, you will need this heat gun. If you don't have the heat gun, some do use hair dryer. So it's not compulsory to get this heat gun. It's not important to get this heat gun. I got it because I'm into arts and craft, and I believe I can use it in majority of ways to help me with my arts and craft. So I got this heat gun, and it came with additional nozzle in case this one gets spoiled. You have additional nozzle to work with. The last thing on my list is heat glue gun. So this is the glue gun. I'm so happy I got this. I worked on another project whereby I had to build a birdhouse. It was so amazing. I'll show you the picture. I just took my time. The thing was so perfect, and it was also a gift. I had to give it out. So who knows, we might end up building a birdhouse on this channel. And it came with this glue sticks as well. So these are the few things I got from Amazon to help me with the learning and filming of the tutorials. I hope to see you in my next video as we learn together. If you're excited as I am, just comment below. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, like, share, and see you soon.